Ebusuafo mo hona kwa baba Nyanis TV. Menyu age papa ebe no kwan. Mumbofre bie ni a wogina me nkyene. Wose Auntie Nyemba fanye no ko school. Na mo gina me nsanyim fenze o hwa ase kan ache. Moko schoolo. Aya na wa yu menyu odo kaka. Ntindi da na me hia hon bio. Na oze ne nyankwi ka ho. Ne nyankwi suso boko school. Na yenye wona abon komo bebre. Nkomo na oye bit sensitive. Nti yam bobodo ho no yenko ho biem. But kakra mo record we na mo hu ndo oye bit sensitive. Kakra makama we po enye de. Mba benyini yo gina he. Osi sabe nara na ohwe no ho anapewi abenyu bi onjiska chop money wo bia ho na ohwe no ho na ohosel mebisa nde hosel ben na ohosel like osi yenanam na yehu abrofa yeziza abrofa echi na nhu ankasa watu hu enum today woboko school nti bere yenya assurance fi ho no ho ese boko school
ejenya
abazi no ochana abazi ntina yenji wonzi de boko school
school no da makomado mpelem ko school in there I in future for many you pepe biaya za bom tampelem ko school.
Okay ono SAJ school na class 6 na wo mami ha
mami okay baby nam nye bia wo shama ko school mana na so ablewa ta so me school
na wa so eseden
me fi akatem papa na amene nche otakwade no ya majinje no mugwana ba mamo.
Okay no stay in takwade hwe na afono ho nya accident nyina wa afom ba na ese oje HS1 yu
bochenjo
nti yensa wono mfo nko HS1
bochenjo.
Okay kweku so se oso woje class 6 nti yensa mfo nko class 6 awo 15 years ana 15 years na oso wa
14
nhwana woboboa me yenya nzama mbo phrase boko school nko be hendo pa ye ko school no chede ye uniforms so we be uniforms ko school foforo so awose woped chide as dex na as akọ ntebusuafo ye stra hwanda woboboa henim be why is very determined there woboko school sisie ye wankoten ete wa na ehwe wo ho nto chede ye zuko school ebe de na enye ska na na pe bia za to eziban wo school
pa mutu aida na pam uko bepenya no mo ma shele won so butu am kakam da ko
ekwan ho na ho a
bepenya no
ni nuanom no ho a so botu nti wenye bia be den
onya ba maba school ma
ezi ye funu pan baba school na wa so e SCC a ese wo ma me se egwa na abenti onka so hu bio almost ke bi wala na erehwe wo hu sisi anti se mezu ko school na me amfasi kan kan wezibeziza beyeden
se yapon school ana yako kasra kake benyane desi na eduko school
no chede wo ko school kra obesa na ye edwuma o sisi ezon ko school yi onyi da wo ye edwuma ewa oda wo ba wo suaze wata aya sehu mo bompe de obeka obi na akoma na waka de a week bia mama abofra kro 10 cedis a week bia mama abofra kro 10 cedis nti se 10 cedis a daily no oziboko school na mon friend there ya some mum kampo every day bia se 2 cedis a so 1 cedi pa won fon ko school na wonye bibi ntu ne why determined one na ma abo anu ache na waka wo gbaayire na waka do abrofro ba na waka do chida wanti program bi mutumi hia no wo fandan ehfa na emi hia won CNC and Kweku has been a head porter at Kotokraba Market for over 5 years, whilst his counterpart has been a car washer for equally the same number of years. After the interview section with the boys, we decided to visit their individual homes to see for ourselves whether they gave a correct account of whatever they were going through. We were fortunate enough to meet the maternal grandmothers of both children. One confirmed not knowing where exactly his grandson sleeps at night. We unraveled lots of information, but for the sake and benefit of our children, reconciled a lot. She pleaded with us to find a foster carer for the grandson because she cannot take care of him anymore since the mother is late and the father is nowhere to be found. We are pleading with you to support these little boys in kind or in cash to enable them go back to school. With Nyanis TV, the best interest of the child is paramount. This was brought to you by Nyanis Restore Hope Foundation.